Okay, so here we have the dinosaur egg. Let's get the dinosaur breaking out of this. Okay, a big T-Rex. Now, T-Rex's head is actually quite big, so if that's the body, the head would appear about here. Kind of furrowed brows at the top there. And shortish mouth, but very wide open, huge mouth. Okay, so that's the head sticking on the part of the egg there. The tail attaches itself to the back of the egg here. Comes up like that. Carried quite high, dinosaur tails usually carry quite high in the body. The back of the dinosaur, the T-Rex, will be kind of lumpy. You know, it gets a lump there and another lump going down there. Now, massive legs. That's the thing about the T-Rex. Huge, big, clumpy legs. Big toes. Talons on them. Another one coming in behind here. Okay, the toes again. And, funnily enough, itsy bitsy little hands and little fingers, you know. Of course, in actual fact, T-Rex doesn't need big grasping fingers because they've got that fantastic big mouth full of great gnashers. Look at these teeth. Okay, so let's put the character in now. Right, his glowering look under those brows. Put the eyebrows in, like that, okay. One little beady eye there. And then coming in there, looking out that way. Okay. And his furrowed brows, lumpy brows up there, the back of his head, quite lumpy as well. And then his snout coming up and down like that, curving around, and then a great big wide open space there coming underneath back to his neck. And you'll see a bit of the inside of his mouth, so put that line in there, shade it in. Then these massive gnashers. Right. Horrible big teeth and sticking out the whole full set. A couple of nostrils there like that, okay. So there's a head. Now the back, you can wiggle your lines a little bit to suggest the wrinkled quality of the skin. Come right over the back here, right up to the end of the tail. Right, coming back around again. Towards the underside. Get a big kind of thick underside there, coming back up behind the little hands. Put the little hands in now. These funny little grasping fingers, you know, like that. That can go in shadow. And then the big legs, thumping big legs. Powerful big legs means they can run pretty fast. Don't try and outrun a T-Rex, I'll tell you. Right, there we go. And the toes coming in like that, another big talon. Like that. Okay, now you could put a few lines in here if you like, and suggest a kind of wrinkled quality. Maybe down there, maybe a couple of wrinkles down here. Okay, so there we have our T-Rex with a big head and the big teeth. Let's rub out the egg. And let's see our chap. There we go. Excellent. Okay, well, there are lots more great dinosaur characters to come, so I hope you can join me in my other parts of the series. Okay, so in the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.